Welcome to the exclusive interview of PolyNext Awards and Conference. Joining us today is Tobias Lind, CEO and Sustainability Director of THEVINYL AB. With the nearly 30 years in the PVC industry, he has been driving growth and innovation while keeping sustainability at the core of the company's vision. Welcome, Mr. Tobias. How are you?
Thank you very much. I'm really good. Thank you.
Okay, so can you please tell our audience a bit about yourself and your background?
Yes. I've been working next year 30 years in the PVC business. After my Master of Science in Chemistry back in 96, after that I joined Nexans Cable and worked there for some years. And 2001, I became the technical manager of THEVINYL. I've been working with quality, sales, development, innovation, sustainability, purchasing, everything.
Okay.
And 2020, I became the CEO. 2021, I finished my MBA. So that's short background of me.
Okay, that is great. So let's start with the questions. And my first question to you is, from engineering to CEO, what were some defining moments that shape your leadership journey?
I don't think I have any defining moments, but I have learned from different bosses which I've had during the years. I've taken the good parts and trying to avoid the bad parts, so to speak. I've also read a lot of literature in the area, so trying to improve all the time.
Oh, that is great. So my next question to you is, since you become CEO in 2020, THEVINYL AB has doubled its production and sales. So what were the key strategies behind the impressive growth?
Yeah, for many years, or like 7 years, we was producing almost maximum capacity. We produced extra shifts on weekends. So we took a decision 2020 to invest in a new production capacity.
Okay.
So and the goal was to grow a lot with sustainability in focus, because this was coming back in 2020. The PVC industry was not talking so much about sustainability, but I think we have proved that was the correct decision to make back then.
Okay.
And it was quite a big investment for us, because we ordered a new production line, we built a new production facility, and it was like more than 30% of our turnover just for one new line. But so it was a lot of money, but we have using it now, so it was a good investment.
Okay. So what challenges did you face during this scaling phase, especially considering global supply chain issue in recent years?
Yes, it was a problem, because we ordered the production line 2021, and it said 1 year delivery time for the main machine. But due to COVID, longer delivery times of electrical parts, it took almost 2 years. So it was a big problem, because we was scaling up, hiring new people, but we have to wait for the main machine. Also, the raw material during this time was problematic. We needed to buy more, and there was a lack of some big raw materials like PVC and plasticizer. So it's quite difficult times during the upscaling. Yeah.
Okay, that is great. So recycling PVC seems to be a big part of your strategy. So how receptive are your customers to recycled materials in high performance applications?
Depends. We have many customers, but the big ones are really into the recycling PVC. So I can say that the two biggest customers we have, we work a lot and close together with them with innovation with the recycling PVC. So one of the biggest customer, they have replaced 100% of the fossil virgin PVC with recycled PVC and bio-based PVC.
Oh,
so we have done a lot of work together. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what role does innovation play in your sustainability mission?
I would say it's very important. It's crucial for the development in sustainability. So innovation is very important. Over the last year, we have invested quite a lot of money in a new material lab to be able to test new recycled PVC and also to test production checks from the material we produce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So coming down to the next question, how do you see the PVC industry evolving over the next 5 to 10 years, particularly in the Nordics?
I would say it will happen a lot the coming years. We can see that during, let's say, 2-3 years now has happened more than 20 years before. And I think it will continue and the pace will even increase. So it will be more and more recycled PVC and more bio-based raw materials. So it's interesting times to work in PVC right now.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start our rapid fire round. This is the most interesting part of this interview, right? And I'm going to ask you the questions and you have to answer in one word, whichever comes in your mind first, okay? So sustainability or innovation, if you had to pick one?
Of course, I want to pick two, but if I have to choose one, I say innovation, because you can't move on to sustainability without innovation. So
definitely.
I would say innovation, yeah.
Definitely. A PVC product people would be surprised to know exists.
Could be one example is rim tapes for bicycles, and it's you put it on the wheels to protect the hose with air. It's used in quite big volumes, many hundreds tons only in Europe.
Okay.
For some newer cars, you don't have leather seats. You have what some call vegan leather, and in some of the cars, it's actually PVC instead of leather. I don't think so many know that. Yeah. So that's two examples.
Yes. So favorite sustainability buzz you secretly dislike?
I mean, I would say I have problems with a lot of words that are used without any background or calculation or certification. It could be green material, environmentally friendly material without saying what it is. Or also circular economy is used a lot, but many you can see it on the web page, on the company's web page, but they don't explain how, and that I say is a problem.
Yeah. So best advice you have ever received?
It's not so easy to have one, but I would go for one which I learned when I was very little. I've used only my whole life and also in business moments, and it's honestly lasts the longest. You know, it's used in Sweden. You have to tell the truth always. I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, that is good advice. Okay, so what next for the THEVINYL in one word?
Next, I would say forward.
Great.
We'll continue moving forward.
Yeah. Okay, so this is it. This is our interviews today, right? And thank you for joining this interview. And it was a pleasure talking to you. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. It was nice to talk to you.